Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an exciting look at the 2026 Fiat Pulse, a compact SUV that's making waves with its bold styling, fuel efficiency, and tech-forward features. It's designed for urban adventurers who want a smart mix of style, practicality, and economy. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 Fiat Pulse stand out. Body panels. The Fiat Pulse has a confident and muscular stance with well-defined body panels that give it a youthful, sporty vibe. Strong shoulder lines and sculpted doors not only add character but also enhance aerodynamics. Black plastic cladding around the wheel arches and lower body panels reinforces its crossover appeal, while a floating roof design gives it a trendy, urban look. Headlights. The front of the 2026 Pulse is dominated by sleek full LED headlights. These units provide bright, clear illumination with integrated daytime running lights that form a stylish signature pattern. The intelligent lighting system adapts to oncoming traffic and improves visibility during cornering, a great for city driving and rural roads alike. Taillights. Around the back, the LED taillights feature a modern C-shaped design that wraps into the rear hatch for a unified, tech-forward aesthetic. These lights not only enhance visibility for vehicles behind you but also add a distinctive flair that sets the Pulse apart from other compact SUVs. Grille. The front grille is clean, minimalist, and unmistakably Fiat. It features a bold Fiat logo at the center, flanked by gloss black or chrome accents depending on the trim. The honeycomb mesh adds a sporty edge, and air channels beneath the grille help cool the engine while optimizing airflow across the front. Seats. Inside, the 2026 Pulse offers supportive and well-contoured seats covered in premium fabric or eco-leather, depending on the variant. The front seats are ergonomically designed for long commutes, with available height and lumbar adjustments. Rear seats offer ample space for 2 adults or 3 kids, making it a solid choice for small families or young professionals. Dashboard. The dashboard layout is clean and functional, with soft touch materials and a layered design that blends digital sophistication with ergonomic simplicity. A colored trim line across the dash adds personality, and customizable ambient lighting and higher trims helps set the mood. Infotainment system. At the center of the dashboard is a crisp 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's powered by Fiat's latest Uconnect interface, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, and integrated navigation. The system is responsive and intuitive, with sharp graphics and over-the-air update capability. Physical shortcut buttons remain for key functions at thoughtful touch. Steering wheel. The multi-function steering wheel is compact, flat-bottomed, and wrapped in leather on mid and high-end trims. It includes tactile buttons for media, cruise control, and a digital display, giving you control at your fingertips. The wheel is also height and depth adjustable, making it easy to find the perfect driving position. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 Fiat Pulse offers a 1.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers a peppy 125 horsepower, perfect for navigating urban traffic and weekend getaways. The powertrain is tuned for responsive throttle and smooth gear shifts with either a CVT or 6-speed automatic, depending on the trim. Fuel economy is a strong point, averaging over 30 mpg combined. Hybrid option. New for 2026, Fiat introduces a mild hybrid variant that pairs the turbo engine with a 48-volt integrated starter generator. This system aids in stop-start traffic, improves fuel efficiency, and provides an extra power boost during acceleration. It's ideal for eco-conscious drivers who want efficiency without compromising performance. Airbags. Safety is front and center, with 6 standard airbags including dual front, side, and curtain airbags. The strong frame structure and crumple zones are engineered for impact absorption, keeping occupants protected in the event of a collision. Parking assist. Urban parking is made easier with the Pulse's intelligent parking assist system. Rear parking sensors and a high-definition reverse camera come standard, while upper trims offer 360-degree camera views and automatic parallel parking. Visual and audio alerts help prevent scrapes and fender benders in tight spaces. Price. Now, let's talk value. The 2026 Fiat Pulse is expected to start at around $21,000, making it one of the most affordable compact crossovers on the market. Higher trims with the turbo hybrid powertrain and premium tech packages may reach up to $27,000, still offering great value for style, safety, and efficiency. And that wraps up our full tour of the 2026 Fiat Pulse. With its expressive design, clever technology, and fuel-efficient performance, this compact SUV is a standout in its segment, especially for those looking to upgrade their daily drive without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got thoughts on the new Fiat Pulse or any questions? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.